What up, guys? It's Marty. Anyway, guys, so I got to tell you what I'm thinking the future of this channel is going to end up happening, guys. So I've been posted, well, originally I started this here channel right here, Marty Kauffman YouTube channel, because I have a main channel. If you're unaware, I got a main channel. It's called with Marty Kauffman. You see. With Marty Kauffman. Always be providing those good vibes only. And, I was doing reviews of products and whatnot. And then people were like, Marty, you should probably do some vlogs and everything. So, I was doing some vlogs. And at the peak of it, because the main man, Mr. Terry, was like, I want more Marty content. So we were doing like a review product in the morning. We were doing a review product like midday. And then when I got off work, I was like posting my daily vlog and everything, like what was happening in my day. So at the peak, we were doing 3 videos a day on that with Marty Kauffman channel. Now we're just doing 1 review a day and everything. And then we started up this channel right here, Marty Kauffman, so we could do those reviews. So we could do the vlogs and everything. So that's what we're doing here. It was this vlog content, but the channel, it was growing a little bit, but not really anything. And I still need those 4,000 watch hours to get monetized and whatnot. But then I picked up this here Ford Maverick hybrid, 2022, and the last couple videos I put on here was just about my Ford Maverick and everything. And to my surprise, they actually did pretty well. So what I'm thinking is, because generally the people that watch this content, they're males, obviously, and according to the analytics, it's males from like 18 to like 40 and everything. That's like the peak amount of people that watch this. And guys obviously like trucks, obviously like cars. So that's what we're doing here and everything. So, and recap, the videos right here are gonna be more heavily Ford Maverick hybrid vehicle videos and everything. I already shot a video about how to charge up the battery, like how to jump start it, because if you're unaware, these Ford Maverick hybrids from 2022 and I think from 2022 to 2024, they got bad Chinese batteries according to the recall and everything. So I guess they got these bad batteries from China, and they were having a lot of issues. Like, I even had issues with them. I think I talked about it on my main channel, with Marty Kauffman. But if you didn't see that, basically what was happening is the batteries were just bad quality. And like I'm talking about the 12-volt battery. The 12-volt battery was bad quality. And, the vehicles wouldn't start, or they just drained the battery. Numerous times I had to jump start my Maverick and everything, and then Ford finally replaced it. But now they're like replaced them all with the recall. So, that's something and everything. But yeah, I'll just show you around a little bit of my Ford Maverick. Let's see. Switch you over there. Alright. So, Ford Maverick 2022 hybrid. You see. By the way, trying out that new orange cream Coca-Cola, 0 sugar. Look at all this space. Oh, by the way, I got a canopy on mine, if you're wondering. So yeah, guys, like here, I'll turn it on for a little bit for you, show you what it's all about. Oh, there we go. But right now, I got an issue with it right now. So this is the issue right now. I'll probably make a video. So look what it says. So what's up with that, guys? I took it into the shop and they can't even figure it out. And it was there for 6 days. That was like what the last video was about. So yeah. You see, and then, so let's see, where's the mileage at? I want to show you the mileage on here. Is it right there? Let's see. I think it just shows up right here. Yeah, I think that goes away, then it'll tell me the mileage. So, anyway, you know, the Apple CarPlay, nice little screen. I guess in the new ones, this doesn't exist anymore, and the screen's just longer. Oh yeah, there we go. So there's the miles I got on here, 27,000 guys. So I'm gonna make a video in the future about, you know, like what's it like 25,000 miles in, you know, because that'd be a good one, and everything. Switch back around. So yeah. Anyway, guys, I just thought that I would make a video about this because honestly, I've been watching some videos of like I saw Demolition Ranch. The guy, he's quitting YouTube and everything. So I thought I'd just, you know, talk about that and everything. Oh, by the way, does anyone know how to turn off the lights and the radio without opening and closing the door? Because, like, when I shut off my vehicle, the lights will be on, the radio will be playing, and the only way for me to turn that off is if I, like, open and close the door. Anyway, let me know in the comments below if you know how to, like, fix that and everything. So yeah. So anyway, getting back to this. So I'm watching these videos like Demolition Ranch. The guy's quitting YouTube and everything. And then I was like, that's really interesting. But then, guys, I saw Tyler Martin, you know, the best damn EDC guy. And apparently he's been having issues with his channel. Now I thought he was, you know, he was something and everything, you know, best damn EDC and everything. But, you know, he's having issues. That's why he hired this guy, you know, Captain Ricky. But ever since he's hired Captain Ricky, I guess they've been doing pretty well and everything. So I was like, hey, you know, my channel right here, Marty Kauffman, it's been struggling, you know, because like I said, still need those 4,000 watch hours. And then when I started posting the Maverick content, it was doing really well. So that's just what we're doing. And hey, I'm kind of rambling on because real talk, people are like, Marty, you should script out your videos and everything. You should like have some talking points. But really, I just like to run and gun stuff and everything. That's why I got me this Osmos Pocket 3. You know, it's basically just run and gun, and you know, stepped up the quality. And you know, I got a little microphone right there. You know, so you know, hopefully the quality's been better. But yeah, that's just what we're doing here. So expect more vehicle content in the future. One day, I want to get myself one of those Japanese mini trucks and like deck it all out and everything. Put like Marty Kauffman YouTube channel, you know, sponsored by, I don't know. If there's anyone that wants to sponsor these videos, let me know in the comments below. Maybe we get that mini truck and be like sponsored by whoever, you know, because who knows? Maybe in the future we can do that and everything. But yeah, guys, mostly this channel has just been vlog content. So we're getting to like, we'll probably just do one video a week because I've noticed that people that do one video a week, like, they have something to look forward to. Like honestly, me personally, I like watching the Big Idea Designs YouTube channel, and they post one video a week, and you know, I look forward to it every single week and everything. Sometime on Friday, they be posting their videos, and I'm always looking forward to it. So, you know, that's just something for people to look forward to. Once a week, you get some content on Marty Kauffman YouTube channel. And then if you want daily content about reviews and products and random stuff, you know, with Marty Kauffman. So yeah, guys, anyway, to wrap it all up, thanks for watching. Keep spreading the good vibes only. Hey, who do you think's gonna win the Royal Rumble tonight, guys? Do you think John Cena's gonna make it all happen? Because right now, or tonight, is the Royal Rumble at 6 o'clock Eastern, 3 Pacific on Peacock. So, hey, thanks for watching once again. You know, one day, who knows what this channel will be doing, you know. Maybe it'll get monetized. Maybe it'll just fade away. You never know what the future has in store. Because like my pops always says, the world is your oyster. Anyway, I'll leave you with a view of the Pacific Ocean. And see you in the next one. There you go. Oh, by the way, how do you like them gold rims? You know, black and gold, guys, black and gold.